stars up in the sky, twinkling softly way up high, shining down forevermore. Count them all, it's number 4. Down and across, then down once more. Add a line that makes a 4. 4, 4, number 4. You are learning more and more. 4, 4, number 4. Great job counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
See you next time on Little Learner Tales.